This video demonstrates how to replace a Rotoflex hose on Graco RTX 5000 and 5500 units. Push the on-off switch to the off position and wait 7 seconds for power to dissipate. Unplug the sprayer. Turn the fluid regulator all the way down. Aim the gun into the hopper or waste bucket and trigger the gun until all the air and material pressure is relieved. Remove the material hose. Remove the material hopper. Loosen the front cover knob and remove the front cover. Remove the material hose coupling and slide it forward. Remove the pump securing knob. Lift up on the pump assembly and remove it from the sprayer. Slide the back plate away from the front plate. Squeeze the pump hose together and remove it from the front plate. Remove the hose from the back plate. Insert the new hose into the back plate. Secure the hose brass fittings onto the front plate. Bring the back plate down against the front plate. Install the new hose into the sprayer, making sure the new Rotoflex hose is around the pump rollers. Secure the pump with the retaining knob and reattach the material hose coupling. Reattach the front cover. And test the sprayer for proper operation with water. If the sprayer operates normally, you have successfully installed a new Rotoflex hose.